Hi everybody, it's Megan again. I thought I'd pop in and just give you another tip for the day. I actually woke up today with a really bad headache. I haven't been sleeping well and it's a mixture of things. My mind just won't shut off, and I thought, what can I do that's natural and healthy to just help with my anxiety and a little bit of stress and the non-sleep. And I thought, my number one go-to essential oil, which is frankincense. So it's very easy to use. All you need to do is have one that can go straight without a carrier oil. There are different brands that offer that. Otherwise, you are going to have to use a carrier oil. But what you do is you just open your bottle up and put a drop on, and you put one on your touch points on your body, which is on your forehead here, on your chin, right here in the nape of your neck. And then you can also just put a few drops on your chest if you like. And another great way is to just drop one or two on your hands, rub them together, and then breathe it in deeply. Hold for 2 or 3 counts and then let it out, and just repeat that 4 or 5 times, basically until the smell of the essential oil leaves your hand. So that's maybe 4 or 5 times you can do that, and really breathe in deeply. And I promise you, within 5 minutes my headache was gone. I'm feeling a lot more relaxed and a lot more less stressed. And then I just popped a few drops also in my diffuser, and I'm letting that go throughout my house. So I encourage you to do the same. If you'd like to know what brand I use, please drop me a comment and I'll tell you. Or if you want to order something and you need some help, you looking into essential oils and you've never bought, again, just pop me a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks and have a great day.